One fine day, learners! Hello and welcome to Adult Tutorial TV. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you are new to this channel. I am Teacher Carlo.
And I am Teacher Riza.
For the time being, we are your teachers. And together, we will explore the world of English. Students will undoubtedly learn a great deal and enjoy today's class.
That is something I never doubt, Teacher Carlo. So, students, are you ready to have some fun while learning?
Wow! They seem ecstatic. So, let's go for a walk into the park together. Today's topic is based on the Department of Education's most essential learning competencies for grade 4 English. Today's video will cover the 4th quarter week 4 topic on journalistic writing features. In today's tutorial, students are expected to determine what journalistic writing is, identify and differentiate its key features, and distinguish them by analyzing the sentences and labeling the news article.
Look, students, the help group is blinking. It means someone needs assistance. Will you accompany me and help that person? Great! Let's see who is in need and what he needs. Alright, students, it is Mr. Santos and this is his concern. Mr. Santos is always interested to listen or to hear the latest news or learning about current events. Can you help him in finding the means that will keep him informed about current events? Let's take a look for the means that can help him. If you find the means that will help Mr. Santos, please comment them below in the comment section. Good job, learners! Mr. Santos can use the radio, TV, newspaper, and computer to know the recent events of the day.
Great work, students! You have done an amazing performance! Actually, the exercise you have completed is related to our today's topic. To begin, journalistic writing is a type of non-fiction writing that is used to report on current events and news. News stories, television reports, radio scripts, and news websites may all provide this information. Newspaper articles will be used to illustrate the features of journalistic writing. So, if you have a newspaper at home, you can join us learning these features.
Starting with the headline. This is written in bold, which summarizes the story, also written on the front page. Always keep in mind that the headline should only contain a few words to summarize the story. It must be appealing to your readers. And as a writer, employ strong emotive words. And make sure that it has to be written in the present tense. You may look at the arrow where the given article is pointing. That is our example headline. COVID-19 growth rate in NCR slows.
Byline is the second feature. This indicates the writer's name and designation, which refers to the writer's job title or function in the writing process. It may also contain the author's email address or social media account. You may see the byline in the given photo article. This example article is written by Miss Catherine Cruz.
Next is the fact feature. Fact feature answers the 5 W's of writing, which are the who, what, where, when, and why for the data to be written in the article. Let's take a look at the given article. All companies announced another fuel price rollback. Starting on Tuesday, May 3 oil price rollback. For example questions, we have, what company announced a price rollback? This was announced by various oil companies. Second WH question, when did this price cut become effective? It became effective on the 3rd day of May 2022.
Let's have a look at the photos and captions feature now. In newspaper reports, important images should always be included. These help to clarify the writer's perspective. See the example article. The arrows point out the photo or picture of an outgoing President Rodrigo Duterte with the caption, "Clears way for a job rollout. Provides for 500 million indemnity fund."
The following is the words in columns feature. A column is about the text placed side by side, containing the organized paragraphs that help the reader follow the story easily. You may look at the photo article to see the example column. As you can see, the paragraphs have balanced space to each other.
At this time, we are in the textual feature, which tells you what a news story should have. And a news story should have an accurate, factual information relating to the story written. Quotations and direct speeches from the experts to make it more reliable. Expert opinion from a reliable source. Important dates related to the story and should be in chronological order. And it must avoid presumptions or generalizations and not be biased. Must be interesting, significant, and relevant. Usually the words are in the past tenses. The use of adjectives and adverbs are to describe. Lastly, it should be written in a third person such as she, he, it, and they.
We are moving now to the front-loading feature, a drafting report that ensures all key information is included to prevent losing the reader's interest in reading the article. Therefore, the lead article should include the point or major facts of the story. This ensures that the writers included all the needed information.
Lastly, the conclusion feature refers to a summary or recap of the important points, as well as the possible story predictions. It should answer the questions that the readers have. For example topic, Omicron subvariant is addressed in the photo page, and it is not regarded a variant of concern unless significant changes in transmission and disease symptoms are discovered. Did you listen and learn about the key features of journalistic writing? Surely you are. So, what are the key features that we have discussed today?
Yes, we have the headline, byline, facts, photos and captions, words and columns, textual feature, front-loading, and conclusion feature of journalistic writing.
Great memory, students! Now, to test if you truly understood each feature, let's have an activity.
You are given enough time to carefully read each statement and choose your answer. You may write your answer in the comment section. Let's begin. What feature is described in the statement? Exactly. It is a facts feature which answers the 5 W's. Number 2. Which feature is described in the statement? Perfect. It is a byline which shows the writer's description. Number 3. What feature is being referred to by the statement? Nice try. This statement is referring to photos and captions feature. Number 4. What feature does the statement describe? You're doing great. The headline is written in bold, which summarizes the story. Lastly, number 5. Which feature is described by the statement? Exactly right. The statement describes the conclusion feature.
Congratulations to all the students for a terrific performance! Now, we are moving to the most exciting part of this tutorial. In the next activity, you have to label the given photo article using the key features that we have discussed today. You were given enough time to comment your answers in the comment section below. Let's check your answers. Students, you did an outstanding performance. Today's lesson appears to have been understood.
Once again, applause for your incredible performance, students! To learn more from teleanal teachers, don't forget to subscribe to this channel to be updated with our weekly educational videos. Our tutorial at this time is now at an end.
Again, your teachers, Teacher Carlo
And Teacher Krisa are now signing off.
Thank you so much and have a great day ahead!